The first thing you want to do is get the bucket loader on the ground and apply a little bit of pressure so that you can raise the front end just a little bit and bring these, I'll call them a clamp. You have to raise them up, and then you're going to back up away from the bucket, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, now we got that separated from that little frame piece. What you have to do now is release the pressure in the hydraulic lines, and by doing that you have to do the joystick left to right, front to back, and just keep doing that until you get all the pressure out of the system. You'll hear the bucket moving around a little bit, and then it'll stop doing that noise. And now we disconnect the lines. All right, now we're going to disconnect the hydraulic lines, and they're all color coordinated as far as where each connection goes. So I'm going to attempt to try and do this one-handed. All you do, get my shadow out of there, is these things slide back, and well, there you go, they just disconnect. So I'm going to do the rest, and I'll come right back to you. Alrighty, I got those disconnected now, and just take the hoses and just pull them up from underneath this hook. I usually just hang them over like that when I'm not using it, and then I'll put the caps on, but for this demonstration I'm not going to do it. And just back away. All right, we're back. The bucket is now, I should say the front end loader is now disconnected from the tractor. So now we're just going to reattach it. So all we're going to do is pull forward, and you want to get this bracket system pretty close to this. And what I'll do is, as I'm driving up, you'll see me do that, and then we're going to reattach the lines. As you can see, about where I positioned my tractor with the loader, and what we're going to do now is take the lines, put them back through that little hook, and then reattach them to the connectors. And I'll do that now and be right back. I've got the lines connected, and now it's time to reattach the bucket to, I'll call it this framing member. Okay, Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to start your tractor up, and you're going to drive forward just a little bit and try and align the slot right there to that down there. See if I can zoom in. Right there. I usually like to put it in gear and move forward just a little bit. Push forward on the joystick. All right, we're almost there. You can see it's starting to engage there. And over here, zoom out. Lift the tires off the ground just a little bit by pushing your joystick to the right, and then you can reach down. Oh man, that comes down. And look at that, back in business. There you have it. Very easy to do, and honestly, you can remove the bucket and put it back on in less than 5 minutes to do both operations. But I know the video makes it look longer, but it really isn't. So thanks again for watching my video, and I hope this helps you. Give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate that.